Health benefits of fig fruit. Not only are figs healthy, but did you know that fig leaves are edible and have many health benefits themselves? In fact, fig leaves may have more significant benefits than the fruit. Here are 8 health benefits of figs and fig leaves. Anti-Diabetic Properties Studies have found that fig leaves lower the amount of insulin required by diabetics. Lower triglycerides. According to research, fig leaves lower triglyceride levels. When the body makes too many triglycerides, a person is at risk for heart disease and obesity. Bronchitis remedy. Fig leaf tea is considered by many to be an effective home remedy for bronchitis and other lung ailments such as asthma. Ulcer remedy. A popular natural remedy for ulcers calls for chewing and swallowing fig leaves. Good source of calcium. Figs are one of the highest plant sources of calcium. Full of fiber, they are one of the most fiber-rich foods. Because of this, they may have a laxative effect. The sensual seedy fibrous pulp and thick outer layer of the fig fruit is a very good source of dietary fiber. As such, one may notice that figs happen to be very appetite satisfying and help you to feel full for longer periods of time. One of the top benefits of figs and consuming their high fiber content is their ability to encourage healthy bowel functions. One large fresh fig provides approximately 1.9 grams of dietary fiber, or 7% the daily value based on a 2,000-calorie diet. Potassium power. Figs are a great source of potassium, a mineral in which many people are deficient. Potassium helps to regulate blood pressure and other important bodily functions. Antioxidant powerhouse. One study found that eating just 2 medium-dried figs caused a significant increase in antioxidant activity in the body. Contains antioxidants such as polyphenols, flavonoids and anthocyanins. Figs are a rich source of phenolic antioxidants. The antioxidants in figs enrich the lipoproteins in plasma and shield them from further oxidation. More benefits of figs are: benefit number 1, high fiber content. Since figs possess a large amount of fiber, people who are obese and feel the need to drop a few pounds will find that in consuming figs, one can actually pursue an effective weight management program. The fiber in figs also treats diarrhea and soothes the entire digestive system. A high-fiber diet is what you need to set your digestive system right, and figs are a must-have as they make you feel full and stop you from overeating. Benefit number 2, lowers sugar levels in diabetic patients. While one can consider that dealing with diabetes is indeed a tough ask, some cultures actually use fig leaves for its anti-diabetic properties, as the consumption of these leaves reduce the need for insulin injections when it comes to these patients. Not just the fruit, but the leaves also have benefits for your health. Fig leaves have amazing properties that help regulate your blood glucose levels. According to a study, including fig leaves in the diet helped control the rise in blood sugar post a meal in insulin-dependent diabetics. You can consume fig leaves in the form of tea. You can boil 4 to 5 fig leaves in filtered water and drink this as tea. You can also dry fig leaves and grind them to obtain a powder. Add 2 tablespoons of this powder to a liter of water and boil it. Benefit number 3, lowers high blood pressure. If you are used to consuming packaged foods, researchers have found that the excess sodium in these foods can be one reason why one can get hypertension, and which leads to blood pressure in the long run. Figs, on the other hand, are known to have high levels of potassium, a mineral that is effective in lowering and controlling high blood pressure. Figs reduce hypertension mostly due to the fact that dietary potassium can help to balance and excrete high sodium levels associated with higher blood pressure risk. Benefit number 4, increases bone density. Not only are figs rich in calcium, promoting bone density, but they also prevent the loss of urinary calcium, which also prevents bones from thinning out. Magnesium and calcium are of course helpful nutrients that work together for healthy bones. Fig fruit is also a source of fat-soluble vitamin K, a deficiency of which can increase the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Figs contain potassium that counteracts the increased urinary calcium loss caused by high salt diets. This prevents your bones from thinning out. Benefit number 5, lowers triglycerides and improves heart health. In being able to lower triglyceride levels, fig leaves have been said, as a result, to improve cardiac health. Figs also contain phenols and omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids that decrease the risk of heart disease. Benefit number 6, lowers cholesterol. Figs contain pectin, a soluble fiber that is known to reduce cholesterol levels. The fiber in figs clears the excess cholesterol in your digestive system and carries it to the bowels to eliminate it. Figs also contain vitamin B6 that is responsible for producing serotonin. This serotonin boosts your mood and lowers cholesterol. Dry figs reduce the overall cholesterol as they contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids and phytosterols that decrease the natural cholesterol synthesis in the body. Benefit number 7, prevents colon cancer. Regular consumption of figs can lower the risk of colon cancer. The fiber in figs helps to eliminate the waste in the body quickly, which works well for the prevention of colon cancer. The numerous seeds in figs contain high levels of mucin that collects wastes and mucus in the colon and flushes them out. Benefit number 8, cures anemia. Lack of iron in the body can cause iron-deficiency anemia. Dried figs contain iron, which is a key component of hemoglobin. Consuming dried figs was found to improve the hemoglobin levels in the blood. Growing children, adolescents, and menstruating and pregnant women specifically should monitor their iron levels to avoid complications. Also, if you are ill or have undergone surgery, include figs in your diet to increase the iron levels in your body and deal with the problem efficiently. Benefit number 9, prevents breast cancer. Figs are amongst those fruits that contain the highest amount of fiber. And it was found that women who consumed more dietary fiber during adolescence and early adulthood were at a lesser risk of falling prey to breast cancer. High intake of fiber was associated with 16% lower risk of overall breast cancer and 24% lower risk of breast cancer before the onset of menopause. Fig extracts and dried figs are known to contain elements that help in preventing postmenopausal breast cancer. Benefit number 10, nutritional. Snacking on fresh or dried figs is a low-calorie way to increase your intake of some essential nutrients. According to nutrition data, fig fruits are a good source of minerals and vitamins like potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron and zinc, in addition to the vitamins K, B6, A and C. Benefit number 11, increases sexual stamina. Figs are considered to be a great fertility and sexual supplement. They are rich in calcium, iron, potassium, and zinc. They are also rich in magnesium, the mineral that is required to produce the sex hormones androgen and estrogen. Benefit number 12, boosts the immune system. Figs kill bacteria, viruses, and roundworms in your body, which can otherwise cause health issues. They contain nutrients like potassium and manganese that, along with the antioxidants, boost your immune system. Benefit number 13, treats piles. Figs treat piles by softening the stools, reducing the pressure on the rectum. The seeds in the figs are the active agents that fight the piles. Benefit number 14, boosts energy. Adding figs to your daily diet is a sure-shot way to increase your energy levels. Benefit number 15, improves sleep. Figs contain the amino acid tryptophan that helps your body create melatonin, which induces sleep and prevents insomnia. Figs also contain omega-3 fatty acids that help you to sleep better. The tryptophan present in figs helps in synthesizing vitamin B3 in your body, which keeps insomnia at bay. Lack of vitamin B3 in your body makes you unstable and restless, which can spoil your sleep. Add figs to your daily diet and reap the benefits of this superfood for your well-being. Natural Remedies delivers latest natural health remedy information and tips for people looking natural ways to prevent, treat and heal your health issues and have a healthy lifestyle. Don't miss our latest video uploads. Subscribe today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, activate the bell to be notified immediately when new Natural Remedies videos are available. Natural Remedies, a division of Springs of Eden.